Introducing one of the first titanium knives from Mtech Evolution. This folding knife is 7 inches overall with a 3-inch blade and 4 inches closed. This knife is equipped with many titanium features, including the front scale, the frame lock, the pocket clip, and the spacer. The 3-inch D2 steel drop point style blade is mounted on a ball bearing pivot system, and when deployed with the flipper, it's ice smooth. The super thin profile and a 4-inch handle makes this perfect for everyday carry. Each of the Mtech Evolution titanium knives comes with this handy nylon pouch that when you're not using it, it makes for easy storage.